And these ones are protection, mattress protector. These are all mattress protector, and these ones are pillowcases. Wow, I like this one, these pillowcases, because it's very soft and not that very soft. Stay long. So those ones are pillowcases. You can see all these places, they are all pillowcases. And these ones are also mattress protector. See, these ones are for big beds. All these are mattress protector. Yes. What are these things? I don't know what these ones are for. I think this one is duvet cover. Yeah, this one is a duvet covers. These ones are duvet covers. Yeah, also these ones are all duvet covers. You can see how much is the price. They made the price according to the sizes. So this one duvet cover single is £110, double is £120, king size is £130, super king size is £140. Yeah, that's how they made the prices for the duvet covers. Yeah, there's also some in this side here. All these are duvet covers. Yeah, all these are part of the duvet covers. All those ones are all duvet covers. You can see, you can get one according to the size of your bed. All that. Yep. Yeah. And these ones here, they are kitchen appliance. You can see these ones are beans, small beans that you can put in your bedroom, because these ones can be in the kitchen because they're very small, so you can use them for your bedroom. You can see their sizes. Yeah. And these ones are for the toilets cleaners. See, oh, these are toilet seats. If you want all this appliance, come to John Lewis. You will get everything you need here. They've got everything you need for the house. You can see all these things. You can use them for your bed, bathroom. All this, you can put your soap in these ones in the bathroom and decorate your bathroom. You can see all this. Very beautiful. See? All this place are for home decoration. These ones are baskets for putting your clothes, laundry clothes, or even storing your clean clothes. So they have them here. I love this one. I like this one. Like this one. And then how is their prices? This one is 150. This one is 120. As you can see. Likewise, this one too. They are all the same thing. And these ones are for clothes hangers. This one is £24. This the small ones, and the big ones is £44. And they're very strong, you know. This one's for clothes hanger. Like when you do your laundry, wash your clothes, you hang them there and leave them inside, because now it's winter and it's always raining. So you just hang them and leave them inside. And these ones are iron boards, fold tabletop. Oh, I've never seen this ironing board that you can fold like this and put them on box. This is my first time I've seen. The ones that I know is those ones, but the ones that you can fold like this, my goodness, technology is something else now. So these ones you can be able to fold them after ironing, and the price is £80. See, that's the price of it. It's £80. Okay, this is my first time seeing this kind of iron. The irons that I know is this one, but the irons that can be folded, I've never seen them. And these ones are the big beans that you can keep inside your kitchen. Yeah, these are the big ones. You can see they are very beautiful. Look at that one there. The price is £220. That one is £119. All these are big beans. And they made them in different type of shapes. That ones are cylinders. They made them in cylinder shapes. See, and those ones, very beautiful. Wow. Likewise, these ones also. They are also for beans, but these ones you can keep them in your room. In your offices, you can see them because they are tiny, like these ones. These ones are baskets for maybe storing food. I don't know, because you can use this for laundry. So please come to John Lewis. They have a lot to offer. They have very, very beautiful things and have a lot to offer. All these things, you can see. You can see all this. And these ones are towels, bathroom towels. These are all bathroom towels. You have different sizes. You have medium size, you have small sizes, you have big sizes. They are all bathroom towels. So if you want bathroom towels, beautiful ones, come to John Lewis. You will have them because they have different types of colors, beautiful colors. See? Yep. So let's keep on going. They have a lot to offer, you know. And these ones are vacuums for the houses. These are the ones you have. You have different types of vacuums that you have here. You have different types. Any one type you want, you can take them. For us, we have this, the exact one that we have in our house that we use. And these ones are different type of vacuum with different type of prices.